as you can see here, it's a very modern and trendy design sofa. So it's a U-shaped modular sofa, and it is combined of 5 pieces, and from this corner pieces, it is designed not in a traditional square corner sofa. It is designed like this type of shape, and to combine the total appearance, look like a more smooth and curved shape. So, and you can see here, and a very obvious design here is that for this piece it does not have a backrest, and so if you need a piece, if you want the whole piece with all of them both have a backrest, you can also comment below and tell me your requirements towards the sofa products in details, so we can design it for you. This is the customization we provide for our customers. So, and you can see here, the color we use for this sofa is the common and the most popular color. It's the great white, and the fabric we use for this sofa is the very skin-friendly fabric, and you can come to look at very closely. Hello, it's SCIHOME live show, and we will introduce our latest products for you. And you can see here, this cushion, the fabric is the linen cotton, so it is very skin-friendly, and you can listen to the sound here and guess what's the inside material we filled into it. So, if you're familiar with the sofa, you can easily find that the inside material used in our cushion is not only PP cotton but also feather. And our common standard of the filling parts is 70% of feather and 30% of PP cotton. And as you can see here, for the inside materials, we use another liner to cover the inside materials so that they won't come out. Okay, I will take it out. And you can have, yes, you can see here, it's very easy for you to move it out. So when the cover outside is dirty, so you can take it to wash them. And for the inside materials, we do another 2 close seam to make it a very good shape. And as you can see here, this liner is also closed so that it cannot be opened to avoid some escape of the filling parts. So again, the inside material used on the pillow cushion is 70% of feather and 30% of PP cotton. So here, and for our fabric, if you don't like the common color we provide for you, and you can tell us your detailed requirements, so we can change some other colors for you. Maybe if you don't like something like linen cotton, we can change it into some velvet or some technology fabrics or some boucle fabrics or something else. So as you can see here, I provide a very trendy fabrics for you. So this is popular fabrics prevalent in recent years. So this is the boucle fabric. So as you can see here, there are some wool and some linen cotton inside it. So here are some other colors for you to have a good selection. And also, if you think the price of our sofa is a little high, so no worries, we have provided some alternatives for you to have a replacement. And this one is a little bit cheaper than that one, and it's also very comfortable and cozy, very skin friendly, touch very smooth. So you can see here the detailed texture of it. So you can tell me your detailed fabric requirements and the color requirements of our sofa products. So that is the boucle fabrics. Also, I have provided some velvet fabric for you. As you can see here. So the texture is very soft and comfortable, give you a very warm feeling. And here are also some other kinds of colors for you to have a good selection.